Halloween cookies. Make sure to wash your hands anytime you cook.
We're using sugar cookie dough and Halloween Oreos. We take the sugar cookie dough and smash them flat. Then we take the flattened sugar cookie dough and form it around the Halloween Oreo and close the sides.
Closing the sides. Closing the sides.
And then we lay out all the cookies on a cookie sheet to bake, following the directions on the sugar cookie dough.
We're going to bake them in the oven for 12 to 14 minutes.
Waiting is the hardest part, so Lucas needs to play Minecraft.
The cookies are ready. It's yummy. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. I like the cookies.